How to redeem Bloomingdale's gift card online. Welcome back to our channel and let's start with our video. So first and foremost, open up a browser and search for Bloomingdales, then tap on the first suggestion shown. You will land in the official homepage of Bloomingdales. You will find various categories of dresses to select from, men's, women's and kids as well. To redeem your gift card, you have to go ahead and shop a little on your Bloomingdale's website. Here I've selected women and I'll be selecting this cute dress right here. You can go ahead and shop according to your preference. Then make sure to select a size and color. Then tap on Add to Bag. Then tap on the Checkout option or tap on Continue Shopping if you want to add more of an item. Next step, you have to fill out the form right here, including your delivery address, then also your payment method. Under your total, you will see this promo code option where you can enter the promo code that you copied or that you already have with you and then tap on Apply. Once you do this, you'll be able to redeem your Bloomingdale's gift card. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in.